What's up everyone and welcome to Double Down Sunday. In this video we're going to be drawing Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw a circle with an open end on the left side for the nose. So we start on the left side of our page, drawing that circle, coming down, up towards the top, and just hook that down on the left side. Let's move over towards the side and draw two ovals for the eyes. So we start on the left side, drawing that oval, coming down, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add two small circles along the top of the eye for a highlight. So let's start on the left. It's coming around, then back up. And then we'll fill the bottoms of the eyes in black. Let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. So we're going to start on the left side, curve down underneath the nose, and then up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. Start out here, we curve down, round out the mouth, and then pull that up on the right. Let's add the tongue along the inside. We're going to start on the left, we're going to curve up in the middle, and then bend that down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's move back up and draw on the eyebrows. We're going to start on top of the left eye. We're going to curve up and then bend that down on the inside. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll move out and draw the lower half of the head. We're going to line up at the corner of the mouth, step out towards the left. Just going to curve down in the middle, just underneath the mouth, and pull that back up on the right. And then we'll add two half circles for the ears. Let's start on the left, going out, rounding out the ear, and then pulling that in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the ear. We're going to draw a short angle line coming down and in, and then we'll go straight up toward the top of the hairline. Let's close off the top. Starting back on the left, we're going to go up in the middle, and then bend that down on the right. Let's add a fold along the inside of the ear, halfway between the top and bottom. Starting here, draw a curve going up, then bending that out. And then from the top point of the ear, we're going to curve up, and then bend the hair going out. Let's go back to the left side and draw the hair spikes. From this point, we're going to curve in, and then down with a short line. Now I'm going to draw another one going up and out. Pull that back in and then down. And then we'll brush the hair over towards the right. Starting up here, curve up and over towards the right. I'm just going to taper that back down with a short line. Let's do another spike going up and out. Then again, we're just going to pull that down and in. Let's add another large spike. And we'll just pull that down and in. Let's close off the right side. From here, we're going to curve out and down. I'm just going to pull this in towards the side of the head. And then we'll connect this point to the outside with a curve. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, just underneath the head, curve the body going out and down towards the hip, move over towards the right, and do the same thing, coming down to the same height, and then we'll close off the bottom. Starting on the left, come down the middle, and then back up. Now from the center of the body, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the heel, move over towards the right, come down to the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, uncurl the foot, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and round out the top of the foot. From the toe, we're going to go up, round this out. Now I'm just going to pull this down, aiming towards the heel, and then I'm going to curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up toward the top, bending that down, and then curling that back up on the inside. And then we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across. And then we'll add the toe cap. Starting from the top of the foot, curve in, and then down towards the sole. Let's move back up and draw on the side of the leg. Starting from the left hip, we're just going to curve out and down, aiming towards the top of the foot. We're going to stop right about there. Do the same thing on the right. And then from here, we'll curve the edge of the pant, coming down and then back up on the inside. Let's close off the side of the leg. From the bottom corner of the shorts, we're going to step in, draw an ankle line, coming down and out on top of the foot. Let's go back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. So starting right here, curve the arm going out and down towards the wrist. Line this up on the right and do the same thing. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw on the thumb. We're going to draw a small half circle, curving in and then out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We'll start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the first finger coming down and then up around that bracket. Step down, curve down and up the second finger. And then we're going to pull the third finger going out and up and then in towards the top of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then halfway along the inside of the arm, we'll draw the sleeve, going up and then out. Let's add some stripes across the sleeve. We want to take that same curve, step up. I'm just going to repeat this all the way up towards the top of the arm. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll take this curve along the bottom of the body and just repeat this all the way up towards the top. Let's start on the left. Step up and just continue all the way up towards the top. Add one more. And that's pretty much it. There's Calvin from Calvin and Hobbes. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe. Be sure to stick around and join me for part 2 of our Double Down Sunday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.